Spain is renowned as one of the premier destinations in the world for digital nomads. The country's digital nomad program promotes entrepreneurship, foreign investment, and focuses on talent, innovation, and startups. To qualify for a Spain Digital Nomad Visa, you must meet certain criteria. Your employer allows you to work remotely from another country. You are self-employed with clients worldwide or receive income from various online activities outside Spain. Requirements for a Spain Digital Nomad Visa include being a remote worker for at least 1 year, working for a company or companies outside Spain, having permission to enter Spain and no prior entry denials, possessing health insurance with full coverage in Spain, demonstrating work experience and technical knowledge, not being a resident of Spain in the last 5 years, working for a company for at least 3 months if employed, working for at least one company outside Spain if freelancing, proving a monthly income of €2,140 or €25,680 per year, and the ability to work with Spanish clients, accounting for no more than 20% of your income. Before we delve deeper into the intricacies of securing a Spain Digital Nomad Visa, let's take a brief moment to introduce you to some valuable resources. We have 2 fantastic books available for purchase on Amazon.com, specially curated to assist you on your digital nomad journey. Our first book, Discover Abroad: Navigating Travel, Immigration, Study, and Employment Opportunities Abroad, is a comprehensive guide designed to help you explore opportunities and navigate challenges when living, working, or studying abroad. Our second book, 450 Business Analyst Interview Questions and Answers, Ace Your Interview, is an invaluable tool if you're looking to secure a job abroad. It provides well-structured answers to common interview questions, helping you stand out from the competition and land your dream job. Both books are tailored to empower you to expand your horizons, embrace new experiences, and unlock a world of possibilities. To get your hands on these insightful books, simply click on the link provided in the video description. Now, let's get back to our main topic. In order to discuss the requirements for a Spain Digital Nomad Visa, let's delve into the necessary documentation you'll need to provide. Firstly, a passport that is valid and has at least 3 months left to run. Secondly, a fully filled out application form. You'll also need to provide 2 passport photographs with a gray background. As for employment proof, you'll require a work contract or a letter from your employer permitting remote work. Years' worth of company activity proof is also necessary. Income proof demonstrating €2,140 per month is another requirement. As for educational professional qualifications, you'll need to show evidence such as a university degree or a professional certificate. Health insurance proof from a provider authorized to operate in Spain is also mandatory. Lastly, need to present clear criminal record certificates for the last 5 years, all complete with copies and an apostille. Upon arrival in Spain, you must apply for a foreigner's identity number, NIE, and tax identification number, NIF. For NIE, you need your passport with the visa, 3 passport photos, a completed application form, proof of address in Spain, and proof of payment of the administration fee. For NIF, you need a completed application form, valid passport, proof of residency, and your tax number from your home country. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Click on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our new videos.